Hello Eagle Targeters, welcome back to our channel, where we consistently deliver the latest and fastest updates in the field of current military affairs. In a groundbreaking development, Ukraine has revealed its latest maritime drone, dubbed Sea Baby, a Kamikaze Unmanned Surface Vehicle, USV, boasting a staggering payload of up to 1 ton of explosives. With research support and funding from Western allies, Ukraine has elevated its capabilities with the Sea Baby, designed to deliver devastating blows, capable of incapacitating large-tonnage target vessels. But its prowess doesn't end there. The Sea Baby is also engineered for an impressive operational range of up to 1,000 kilometers. What sets the Sea Baby apart is its dual-purpose functionality. Not merely a kamikaze drone, this USV possesses the ability to deploy its weaponry, transforming it into a reusable combat drone. Recently showcased by the Security Service of Ukraine, SBU, the Sea Baby, named Avdiivka, has garnered significant attention. With voluntary fundraising efforts reaching 300 million hryvnias, it's estimated that up to 35 units of similar USVs could be manufactured. The Sea Baby 2024 represents a new generation of enhanced drones, significantly more formidable against adversaries, stated the SSU in a press release. Emphasizing its universal multi-role platform, the Sea Baby can be outfitted with various armaments, with installation efforts currently underway. The SBU's development team is set to integrate cutting-edge weaponry, specifically tailored for multi-role platforms, capable of reaching speeds of up to 90 km per hour. The Sea Baby is controlled via satellite access through Starlink communication and backup communication channels via Kamikaze satellite links. The Sea Baby model, introduced since late 2023, boasts redundant communication systems and carries an explosive warhead weighing up to 850 kilograms, a significant upgrade from the previous model's 108 kilograms payload. Alongside its 1-ton warhead capacity, the Sea Baby can also be equipped with 6 RPG-16 thermobaric grenade launchers, further enhancing its combat capabilities. Thank you for watching. Hopefully, this show can broaden the knowledge for you and your family. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to help grow this channel even bigger.